Lincoln community. I'm Erin Ireland. I'm the principal at Abraham Lincoln School. I'm sure some of you are wondering about supplies for this upcoming school year, and guess what? We've got you covered. All you need to bring is a backpack, a water bottle to keep those brains ready to learn, a pair of sneakers for PE class, and some extra clothes because sometimes learning gets messy. We have some exciting events coming up ahead of the first day of school. On Monday, August 24th, we are having our kindergarten kickoff for our kindergarten families from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock right here at the school. And on Thursday, August 27th, for all of our students and families, we have our open house from 4:30 to 5:30. Looking forward to seeing you all there. And of course, our first student day is September 1st. That's a Tuesday. So between now and then, enjoy the last few days of summer, and we look forward to an amazing year next year.